Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to this channel. My name's flo'sworld. I'm a Kenyan and Swiss national and I live in Lausanne, Switzerland. So today this is the first cooking video in this channel in 2026, and guess what, today is also my birthday, but I don't have anything special scheduled for the birthday. I just wanted to stay home cozy, and the weather is not good. Actually, it's snowing currently. In my kitchen window I can see the snow falling, so I opted to stay calm. And this year I've chosen to be positive and just enjoy my life, because we thank God for life actually. So without further ado, let's go to the video. So today I'm making a fish recipe, and this is dorade. I don't know how you call dorade in English, but here we call it dorade. It looks like tilapia. You can see? Yeah, it looks like tilapia. Why I opted to cook dorade instead of tilapia, kind of got disappointed, because normally when I buy the fresh, actually we don't get fresh tilapia here, we get frozen tilapia. So we buy it in the African shops or Asian shops all around Switzerland and in my area. So I don't get, the frozen tilapia, I don't get that actual taste of the fish taste. And you know me, I come from the lakeside of Kenya, and we know the fish. If you know, you know. So I decided to be buying dorade in the supermarket. It's fresh from the lake of Switzerland, and that is why I'm doing the dorade recipe today. It's a fish recipe. It replaces my loving tilapia. Sorry, tilapia. So I'll start by seasoning the fish, and then today I'll just deep fry it, shallow fry it, and then I'll make a sauce and then pour on top of it, and maybe take it with ugali or roasted potatoes. I'm not sure. But the deal is, let me just show you how I make my fish, my simple budget friendly fish here in Switzerland.
A few minutes later.
And voila, we come to the end of this vlog. Let me know how you found the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and share. I'll leave everything all the ingredients that I used to make this recipe on the description box, so please go check it out. And I just want to thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. More is coming, and as you know, this year my resolutions is staying active and growth and prosperity. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and I hope to see you in the next one.